Hello and welcome to math lesson number 41. So first of all guys, can we all turn to the camera and wave a big hello? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So teacher Wes will sit down and we'll take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. Okay guys, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretch sequence, so please stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up. And then let's go down. Stretch up again. And this time, can we go tippy toe height? Yes, tippy toes. And then back down one more time. And back up. But this time, let's give our spines a little stretch. So let's go side to side gently. Side to side. And then we'll go forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. Stop. Hands on hips. Give a little wiggle. Give another little wiggle. And we'll finish with 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys. Please have a seat. So math lesson number 41. Can anybody tell me what we've been doing recently, guys, in math? What's... Perfect. We've been talking about lengths, and we've been doing equations based on lengths. How do we spell lengths? T-H-S. Okay. Subtraction. But first of all, what does this sign mean? Addition. So this morning, first thing we're going to practice addition, which we call adding and subtracting. Addition, subtraction. But when we talk about doing it, adding and subtracting lengths. Okay, so shall we play? Are you ready? Okay, close your eye. In fact, wait a moment, Teacher Wes will write the problem first. First one, we will do adding. And let's see, who shall we pick first? Okay, open your eyes. So let's see. What's our problem, guys? What's this amount? 234 meters.
Plus 798 meters.
Excellent. Lakgao, over to you.
2, 3, 4,
M. Remember M. When we're talking about lengths.
7, 9, 8, 4 equal to 12.
Carry the 1.
Equal to 12. Plus equal 10. Comma.
Excellent. Comma there, that's perfect. Lakgao, what's your answer?
1,332 meters.
Excellent. 1,032 meters. Remember what teacher said. When we're doing lengths, we always need to put the unit of length. If that's not here, you don't know. Is it millimeters? Is it centimeters? Is it kilometers? But if we see M, we know, meters. So that's why it's important. High five. Round of applause for Lakgao. Okay, so next one. This time we'll do subtraction. Okay, we can open our eyes. Pat, come and join teacher. So what are we doing this time, guys? Subtracting. What's the first amount? 1,000.
32 millimeters. Subtracting 546 millimeters.
Okay, Pat, over to you. And don't forget, guys, we can help too. 2 M's for millimeters. Minus or subtract. Okay, so 2 minus 6, can we do?
No,
Borrow. So now 12 minus 6 equals 6. But then 2 minus 4? No. What do we need to borrow again? So now 12 minus 4? 8. Okay, is this correct?
No.
What do we need? Don't forget millimeters, because teacher will think meters, centimeters, kilometers, I don't know. That's why we need millimeters. What's your answer, Pat?
486.
Millimeters. 486 millimeters. High five. Round of applause for Pat. So now we'll move on a stage. We'll do adding and subtraction in the same equation. Okay? Let's see, we can have okay, guys. Let's open our eyes. Who has the pen? Prel. Come and join teacher. So this time it's both. What do we need to do first?
Addition.
And then,
Subtraction.
okay, over to you. What unit are we using?
Centimeters.
Centimeters, perfect. So what have we got first? Okay, we can do that way. 139 plus 47 is okay.
47. 7 centimeter. 9 17.
So don't forget to carry the 1.
3 4 8
1 plus 3 plus 4, 8.
equal 1.
And then 100. So far, we've got 186 centimeters.
98 centimeter.
Perfect.
8 centimeter.
16 minus 8. 7 minus 9. 17 minus 9. 'Prel, what's our answer? 88 centimeters. You see, we've gone from 47 centimeters. We added 139 centimeters. That gave us 186 centimeters. But then Prel had to subtract 98 centimeters, which gave our final total 88 centimeters. High five. Round of applause for Prel. Okay guys, well done. Everybody did very well. You can remember how to add lengths and to subtract lengths. So now it's time for our next activity. And what we all need, what is this called? Ruler. Okay? How do we measure a ruler? We have 30 centimeters. But on the other side, there are 12 inches. Okay? 30 centimeters, 12 inches. Okay? So now we have an activity. And I think for one of the activities, I think you'll be able to use ruler for everything except one. For one activity, teachers, I think your students will be better to use a meter stick. But see if they can decide which activity they need to use the meter stick for. Just make it available for them. And now, what we need to do is, teachers, you need to print off the worksheet prior to the lesson. And what we're going to do is put our students into pairs. They need to use their ruler to measure the various parts of each other. So are you ready, guys? First one, height. Height. How tall? Next one, foot. We need to measure our friend's foot. Okay? You need to use your ruler and measure your friend's foot. Then, hand, arm, leg, and then hair. Okay, so in pairs, you need to work together. You need to measure each other. One more time, height, foot, hand, arm, leg, hair. Okay, today we have 9 students. Nadia, you can work with down. Bangpon, you can work with Lakgao. Pep, you can work with Prel. Q, work with Pak Bung. Net will work with teacher. Me and Net will be a pair, okay? So everybody, first of all, write your names on your worksheet and then work through the activity with your friend. You're welcome. So I leave for you to decide what unit of length you will use. You're welcome. Centimeters or inches. Okay. Teachers, give your students 20 minutes for this activity because they need to measure each other. If any of them get stuck or don't understand what they need to do, you can help them. And as I say, it works best if there's an even number of students. You can pair them. If you have an odd number of students, you can make a pair, like I'm going to do with Net. Okay? Okay, so it's now time for your students to carry out their activity and explain to them that a ruler is okay for body parts, but when we're talking about height, we need something bigger, don't we? So what will we measure height with, the ruler or the meter stick? Meter stick's better, because if we use the ruler, we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But with the meter stick, it's just 1, 2. And even our students who are smaller, it might just be 1 and a little bit. So I leave for you guys here. Guys, you don't have to sit. You can work together. Who wants the meter stick first? Okay. But then, once you've measured, you pass on to your friends, okay? But guys, while you're waiting for the meter stick, you can be doing the other ones. Prayer, while you're waiting for the meter stick, you can be doing the other ones. Okay, Net, you're with teacher. Come here, I'll do for you. So let's see, Net, foot. Shall we use, do you think we use inches or shall we use centimeters? What shall we use? Up to you. We can use inches. Use inches? Okay. So let me see your foot. Don't forget, guys, we always start from 0. Always start from 0. Okay. Net's foot, 7 inches. 7 inches. Yes. No, that's height. We're doing yes. 7. If you need any help with spelling, guys, inches or centimeters, let me know. Okay. You're welcome. Now, next one. Hand. So for hand, we'll use centimeters. Fifteen centimeters. Not for this one, centimeters. And try to use English, guys. When you're doing the activity, try to speak in English, help you practice. What's the next one? Arm. So let's see. We'll use inches for arm. 12. 20. Net's arm is 20 inches. Yes, you have to do from the top of the head. 26. Okay, 20 inches, so this word can go there. And once you've measured your friend, guys, don't forget to swap and do each other. Leg, okay, leg. So for leg, we'll use inches. So we have 28 inches. 28. Okay, Dan? Don't forget, guys, to say what you're using, inches or centimeters. And then bed, 28, and then inches. And we have to measure hair. Let's see, Pangpon, your hair, we have to do your hair is like millimeters. Excellent. Okay. Now, last one, hair. I think for hair, guys, we'll use millimeters. We'll use the smallest one for millimeter. You can swap. You can use centimeters for some, inches for others. .22 mm. 22 mm. Okay. Now we need to do your height. So can you say 7 inches?
7 inches.
14 centimeters.
14 centimeters.
20 inches.
20 inches.
28 inches.
28 inches.
22 millimeters.
22 millimeters.
Perfect. Okay. This is your ruler? Okay. Dan, when you're finished, let me know. Teacher will use. Anyone needs any help, guys? Bang, bang. Don't forget, guys, your units of length. Guys, don't forget your units of length, okay? Is this millimeters, centimeter, inches? Don't forget your units. So we need, once when we've got the meter stick, I will measure your height. You want to do teacher's hand. Do my hand. So always start from 0 to here. 8 inches. So you did centimeters. So let's see centimeters. so we can compare.
นี่อะไรเนี่ย12
20. Yours was 14 centimeters. Teacher is 20. Because I am bigger.
อันนี้
That's okay. This is yours. My hand is 20. Yours. Okay. Leg. Foot. Okay, we'll do foot like this. Come to the front. Shoulder. Guys, when you do front foot, we can do like this. You can use centimeters. Do you want inches or centimeters? So go from here. 20 or 19 centimeters or 20, what do you think? Got to go from the toe. I think 20.
20
20 what? 20 meters?
20 inches
20 centimeters. The green is inches, okay? If Chu's foot was 20 inches, his foot would be this big. Yes, 7 inches. You can use inches or centimeters. For her, what you need to do, sorry, down.
โอ้โหต้องดึงขนาดถึงมันเลยค่ะ
So yes, do you want your longest hair? Do your longest hair.
อ๋อโอ้แล้วก็
Wow. We need the meter stick. It's so long. It's so long, we need the meter stick. One moment, please. Down, your hair is so long, we need the meter stick. The ruler is not long enough. 39. 39 centimeters. Down's hair is 39 centimeters long. Ned, how tall are you? So 100. Okay, stand straight. 137 centimeters. Does anybody need the meter stick? No. You finished? Finished? Have you done your hair? How long was your hair? cm, centimeters. Okay, so 12 inches. And then 10 and a half. So 12 plus 10.
12 plus 10 equal 22
22. And the green one is?
inches.
Excellent. 22 inches. Perfect. You can do different measurements. You can use inches for one. Like you can use inches for foot, or you can use centimeters for hand. For the boys, they have quite short hair. You might use millimeters for their hair, but the girls will use centimeters.
Part is 2 centimeters.
2 centimeters. Yes, 2 centimeters. Teachers, how long is mine? I got mine cut. The other day.
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. I think the other day would have been longer before I got my hair cut. Remember?
31 centimeters. And 12 centimeters.
Yes, what you need to do, guys, if you finished measuring, practice speaking, because you're going to, after we stretch, you will come here and speak about your friend. Okay? So practice speaking because you have to present here after we stretch. Arm. Okay. Do you want centimeters or inches?
Centimeters.
Centimeters, okay. 30. And straighten your hand. 21. 30 centimeters plus 21 centimeters. 30 plus 21. Or 30 plus 20. 50 plus 1. And the unit we use? Centimeters, perfect.
22 meters.
It's okay, you can, 22 inches.
50 centimeters.
So guys, once you've finished, practice speaking because you're going to come and present your friend. Like Dan will say, Nadia, height 140 centimeters.
Down.
Nadia and down. Okay, whose measurements are these?
Down.
Oh, I see. So you will speak about Nadia. Okay, perfect. You swap already. So you will say Nadia's height is. So practice speaking. Bangpon. Practice speaking. Are these your measurements or your friends? Lakgao. Okay, so practice Lakgao's height. Nadia's height.
127 centimeters. Nadia down.
Down's height.
And me put Nadia foot.
Yes. These are Nadia's. This is Nadia's. So you will say Nadia's height, Nadia's foot, Nadia's hand. These are yours, yes? So Nadia will say Down's height, Down's foot. Welcome back to class. We hope your students have enjoyed the worksheet activity and found it interesting where they can use the different units of length to measure their friends. They don't have to use the same. Like for hair, for boys, millimeters is best. And then maybe foot in inches, hand, centimeters. They can practice with the different types. So guys, it's now time for our stretch sequence. So please stand up and push in your chairs. And this time, let's move our wrists. Let's rotate our wrists. Like we're dancing. And then can we go back the other way? And this time, let's shake our arms. Shake our arms. In. Be careful of your friends. Don't stand too close. And then give yourselves a big hug. Hug yourself. Turn it out. Turn back around either way. Excellent. And now, to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Please sit down. It's now time for our final activity. The students have already completed their worksheets, so what they need to do now is in pairs come to the front of class and tell us about their friends' measurements. Teacher Wes will go first. Who was my partner? Net, come and join teacher. Can I have your measurements, please? Okay, so Net height 137 centimeters, is that right? Net's foot 7 inches long. Net's hand 14 centimeters. Net's arm, 20 inches. Net's leg, 28 inches. And Net's hair was quite short, so we had to use millimeters. I got at the front 22 millimeters. So you see, all the different lengths or measurements for Net in the different units. We use centimeters, we use inches, and we use millimeters. Okay?
Yeah.
High five. Excellent. Round of applause for Net. So now, in pairs, come and join teacher. And first pair we will have Nadia and Dan. So come and tell us about your friends. Okay, let's have one either side. Can you stand this side for me, Nadia? Stand here. And then down. Okay, so you can tell me about down.
Down.
Height.
140 centimeters.
140 centimeters for down. Her height.
Down. Width.
Foot.
20 centimeters.
20 centimeters. Okay, very good.
Down. Hand. 15 centimeters.
Excellent.
Down.
Arm.
Arm. 37 centimeters.
Okay.
Down. Leg. 31 centimeters.
And down's her.
Down here. 39 centimeters.
Excellent. And now, down, can you tell us about Nadia?
Nadia height 127 centimeters. Nadia foot 117 centimeters. Nadia hand 13 centimeters. Nadia arm 36 centimeters. Nadia leg 30 centimeters. Nadia hair 16 centimeters.
Okay, round of applause for Nadia and down. Excellent. Have a seat. I'd like to check them leg measurements again, but very well spoken, well done. So now, second pair, Lakau, Bangpon, come and join teacher. Can I have one student either side so I can see the sheets? Okay. So, who wants to go first? Lakau? Okay, so we're talking about Bangpon.
Bangpon height 139 centimeters. Bangpon foot 20 centimeters. Bangpon hand 13 centimeters. Bangpon arm 60 centimeters.
60 centimeters, very good.
Bangpon leg 74 centimeters. Bangpon
Hair,
3 centimeters.
3 centimeters. Excellent, very well spoken. And now, Bangpon, can you tell me about Lakau?
Lakau
Height,
height
134 centimeters, very good. And next,
Lakau
foot,
foot 12
22 centimeters.
hand
Lakau's
hand
14 centimeters. Lakau's arm,
Lakau
60 centimeters. Lakau's leg, 73 centimeters. And last one, Lackow's here, 30 centimeters. Excellent. High five. High five. Rounds of applause for pair number 2. Now, pair number 3, Prel and Pat. Okay, so now we have Prel and Pat. Who would like to go first, guys? Okay, you can play game. Who's going to go first? Prel's height, 120 centimeters. Very good. Prel's foot, 17 centimeters. Prel's hand, 12 centimeters, 7 millimeters. Prel's arm, 46 centimeters. Prel's leg, 60 centimeters. Prel's hair, 17 centimeters, 8 millimeters. Very good. I would like to check Prel's hands again. 12 centimeters, I'm not sure. I think that sounds too long, but very well spoken. Next, Prel, can you tell me about Pat?
Pat's height 131 centimeter. Pat's foot 22 centimeter. Pat's hand 14 centimeter. Pat's arm 53 centimeter. Pat's leg
5.
centimeter. Pat's head 20 millimeter.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Well spoken. High five. High five. Rounds of applause for pair number 3. And now our final pair, Pak Bung and Chu. Pak Bung. Chu, are you ready? Who will go first? Okay. Can you tell me about Chu?
Chu height 127 centimeter. Chu foot 20 centimeter. Chu hand 16 centimeter. Chu arm 22 inches. Chu leg 59 centimeter. Chu hair 3 centimeter.
Okay, 3 centimeters for his hair. Very good. Chu, can you tell me about Pak Bung, please? So first one, Pak Bung's height, 126 centimeters. And Pak Bung's foot, 19 centimeters. Pak Bung's hand, 16 centimeters. Pak Bung's arm, 50 centimeters. Pak Bung's leg, 57 centimeters.
Pak Bung
Hair,
hair
28 centimeters. High five. Well spoken. High five. Round of applause. And give yourselves all another round of applause, guys. You did very well. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. we hope you've had fun with your students measuring each other's body parts, and they can compare with each other who has the longest hand, who has the longest foot, who's tallest, because they can use the equations we've learnt in previous lessons. So we hope you had fun, and we'll see you again for the next lesson real soon. Can we say bye-bye, guys? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.